viewers, welcome to this channel. Breaking news: can Atiku or Obi win in the Supreme Court? How US courts will decide Tinubu's fate. The certificate of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has formed a major discourse in Nigeria. The trending development posed a threat of his current position as Nigeria's 16th president. Abaje reports that on Wednesday, March 1st, the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) declared Tinubu the winner of the 2023 presidential election against Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party and Peter Obi of the Labour Party (LP). Atiku and Peter Obi are not pleased with the outcome of Tinubu's victory at the poll. Photo credit: Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The 70-year-old veteran politician got 37% of the vote. His main rival, Atiku Abubakar, polled 29%, and the Labour Party Obi 25%. However, Atiku and Obi rejected the poll's outcome and headed to the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, but to change the tribunal's election victory. On Wednesday, September 6, Nigeria Presidential Election Tribunal ruled that Nigeria's main opposition parties failed to prove claim of electoral malpractice against the governing APC in February 25th disputed election. The election tribunal rejected the opposition petition to overturn President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's February election victory. This was immediately countered by Atiku and Obi, who fought the tribunal's verdict and headed to appeal Supreme Court to strike down the tribunal ruling. Any appeal must be concluded within 60 days of the date of the tribunal judgment. In a bid to further challenges his case against Tinubu at the Apex Court, Atiku demanded access to the president's academic record at the Chicago State University (CSU). Atiku had approached the court seeking an order to compel the university to release Tinubu's record. Channel TV reported that the United States District Court of the Northern District of Illinois granted the request filed by Atiku, seeking the release of the President Tinubu academic record by the Chicago State University. Tinubu's lawyers, however, argued that their client is not willing to lift his privacy privilege, with the ruling also conceding this by using the term non-privileged document. Although Tinubu's credentials indicates that he graduated in 1979 with a bachelor's degree in accounting, there have been allegations burdening his discrepancy in the presidential certificate. However, Tinubu has intensified his legal effort to block the CSU from releasing his academic record of his arrival, Atiku. Why Tinubu trying to stop Atiku from regressing access to his academic record? APC chieftains speak on the outcome of Atiku case, Tinubu at the USA. In an exclusive interview with Abaje via telephone, Oyo APC spokesman Asiwaju Olawale Sadire described Atiku's case against Tinubu at the U.S. court as a time-wasting litigation. He disclosed that Tinubu's lawyer followed due to process and international law, but the truth would eventually be revealed. Also speaking with Abaje on the development of the conveyor APC in the South Coalition, Francis Okoye said the court determined the cases of the Supreme Court judgment of the Tinubu defeats the APC chieftaincy. credit. Meanwhile, they've appealed that Atiku and Obi concluded within 60 days of the date of the tribunal development and the date of judgment. My wonderful listener, I would like you to drop your comment on the comment box and also click on the bell button. Okay, my wonderful listeners, they also said, Mr. Okoye also said that politics is about carrying your people along. President Buhari was a Fulani northerner, and most of the critical appointments he made while he is in the office favor these people. So it is not out of place for President Tinubu, who is Southern Yoruba man, to favor his people more. If I am elected president today, I will do same thing for my Southern Igbo people. However, I will caution the federal character should not be thrown overboard on the altar of ethics, lest the president spread appointment, particularly we in the Southeast are ready to murmuring for being left behind, going by the appointment made so far. So more Igbos should be appointed in the government. Earlier, Abaje reported that Mr. Sadari predicted the outcome of the Supreme Court judgment in the case filed by Atiku and Obi against Tinubu's victory. Sadari disclosed that Atiku and Obi have no genuine case against Tinubu. According to them, presidential hope are only in court to get more support. Hence, Tinubu will defeat them. He said the appointment of Tinubu so far is likely to the Buhari, the APC camp. So although during Tinubu during his inaugural address maintained that his government will run an inclusive administration, and his appointment so far has generated mixed criticism. So for what I have listened so far, my wonderful listener, that means that Mr. Tinubu, nobody will defeat him. He knows that his victory is sure. So no matter, they've gone to US, they've gone everywhere, Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal Tribunal, even at US, he has gotten victory because there is no genuine proof for Atiku and Obi. So kindly drop your comment on the comment section, your opinion count, and as well as share and subscribe to this channel by clicking